Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Welcome to our guide on using Meta Business Suite, Facebook's Business Page Manager. Step 1. Start by installing the app. Simply head to your App Store and search for Meta Business Suite. Step 2. Once installed, explore the user interface. Click on the top left icon to select your Facebook business page. Here, you can quickly assess the overall state of your Facebook ads. If you wish, you can create new posts or ads right from here. Step 3. Check your existing content. Click on the content icon to review your current posts. For more insights into each ad's performance, click to view the insights. Step 4. Managing messages. If you receive any messages related to your ads, click on the Messages button to review and respond to them. Step 5. Exploring additional tools. Head over to the Tools section to discover additional handy features like notifications, a planner, appointments, and much more. These tools can greatly assist you in managing your Facebook ad campaigns effectively. Start using it today to boost your business's online presence. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for awesome content.